You can find that man?
Same price.
Alright. Give me a number.
See it there, guys?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man.
Nah,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing day. Now, I'm Tyrone and this is my YouTube channel. Now, I'm in downtown Kingston, specifically Water Lane. Now, in this video, I'm gonna carry you guys around the place and I'm gonna buy some Jamaican beef patties. You know what I mean? Now, the Jamaican beef patty is so famous all over the world, but there are 3 different franchises in Jamaica. And I'm going to take you through all 3 of them. And we're going to sample, compare, and contrast these patties and let you guys know how they really taste based on my own experience and kind of share it with you guys. You know what I mean? So, this is the whole activity, guys. Stay tuned, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And pull up the comment section, let me know what you guys thinking. One love from Jamaica. This is Tyrone and I will see you guys in the party place. Stay tuned. First stop is Duke Street, as I was telling you guys, and I'm going to go towards a fruit man. You know what I mean? Before I go in any beef patty, I have to have some type of fruits to kind of go down on the stomach. You get me? I say, so we're going to go to the fruits man now and see what I deal with. You know what I mean? Very popular in downtown Kingston, so that's how I go on now. So watch your progress, guys. Alright guys, so boss I peel up him papaya, biggest papaya I ever see. Yes, so I'm gonna just blend it from scratch, show you guys the whole process. You know what I mean? Pretty fruit. So papaya and what you gonna use, Ella?
Papaya, banana, apple.
Okay. It's a nice combination that, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I always buy fruits from the brother anytime I come Duke Street. You know what I mean? See it there? Yeah, life and living. Pretty like money. So this one has peanut and oats and what else?
Papa, banana, melon, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed.
Oh my.
Molasses.
Yeah.
500.
500 for this one?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is for what? 350? Alright guys, I can't wait for going on a smoothie. May I tell you that this is really healthy smoothie. Jamaican street food. You get me? I say live and living colors. No pressure. Yeah, I mean, easy to digest, and best thing before I'm going to beef patty them, you know what I mean? So, I'm soon share out mine, so that's what we're about now. So stay tuned guys and continue supporting and watch what I go on here. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. Guys, so this is smoothie. See it? I'm going out and now I'm gonna see what I say almost a taste. But yeah man, street food style. Guys, I tell you this, but really nice, it's not too sweet, it's not fresh, it's just balanced. And see the next brother over here, sir.
Wicked man, wicked and wild man. What's this man? Well refreshing and everything.
I'm going night too. So I have to have some fruits before we go eat anything else. You get me? I say, cause when when the meat go down by your chest, you rough. You know what I mean? See boss over here. Bad man, bad, see that, bad. Because somebody before going on my boss. See genius, see me? You love somebody before going on.
Big up Dr. Man, you see it?
Yeah.
Real man, big up.
Yeah. Big up yourself, yeah? So guys, we're going to potty place them now. You know what I mean? I digest this. So stay tuned, guys. One love from Jamaica, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so see living proof, yeah? I finish it. Yo, it's a real belly full. I don't know why. Why not make your belly full so fast, Ella?
It's spice, man.
It's spicy, right?
Yeah.
I banana, you know. But guys, yo, see the living proof it done. So here what? By the time I walk up, I'm digest it, I'm ready for you potty them. You know what I mean? Don't call me craving, but a food day today. You know what I mean? So enjoy the video, guys. And if you stop at Jamaica anytime soon, if you come on Duke Street, come link your fruit bar right beside him are the legend of the blend up. You see me? Everything where you walk, they're gonna say him up. So big up on yourself. One love from Jamaica, guys. Alright guys, so I'm currently in Mother's right now. I'm gonna say I can get some beef patties. Probably beef patty or beef patties. You get what I say, but I don't know yet. See what they on the menu. So stay. Alright guys, so I've placed my order. It's about $200 for a beef patty right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I bought my first beef patty at Mother's. You know what I mean? So I'm heading towards Tasties right now. The sun is burning. It's hot. You get me? So Tasties we're heading right now, which is the second establishment, and then we're to the third establishment. Tasties is on Orange Street, downtown Kingston. So right across the road from where I'm standing right now. So we're heading towards Tasties and we're gonna buy a Tasties patty. Alright guys, so stay tuned. One love. Alright guys, so we're there with brother Tasties right now. So him outside of doing thing, you know what I mean? So me I go support him, aka is a street food, so I want a beef patty. How much for it?
Same price.
Alright. See it there guys? Yeah man. See it there guys? Big up somebody for winning my boss. Tyrone Studio.
Yeah, big up Tyrone Studio.
Yeah.
Young living.
Yeah.
I'm good producing.
Yeah.
Big up, well, tasting it. Yeah, well.
Yeah man, so see the guys, Jamaican Tasties patty, so we soon going out. And I mean, and him have a boxes over here. Alright guys, so I'm currently in Juicy Beef right now. See the menu board up there, so Juicy Beef have a lot of options. You get me? But it's only a patty that I buy today. See there? Only $200 for it. Only $200 Jamaican, which is about a US dollar. You get me? It's probably $1.50. And I mean, so beef patty is for us, nothing else. Alright guys, so see it there? Last order of the day in terms of patty. So right now we have to wait for my order to come through. You know what I mean? So Jamaican beef patty, which is juicy beef right now. So that's a go. Alright guys, so I've got my juicy beef patty. So you guys gonna notice that there's a different bag or a different container for each patty. And I mean, so in a few minutes I'm gonna go into this patty and tell you exactly how it tastes. Alright guys, look at that. Pretty patty. Alright guys, so it is a moment you have been waiting for. This is beef patty. Yeah, may I say, so what we're going to do right now, we're going on the beef patty and we'll have some orange juice to wash it down. You get me I say? So I'm showing you, so see them here, 3 beef patties. You get me? 3 beef patties right here, so I'm gonna bust them up and show you what I want. See them here, people. You see me? So we are going on the mother's one first. Take on chew it. Alright guys. Alright, so this is the mother's beef patty. It's kind of flaky, but you don't really have a lot of beef in it. You understand? But I taste it and I couldn't know what I want. There's a sweet here. I don't really have much beef in it, but not that spicy. It's not really spicy, but has a lot of seasoning there. You can taste a lot of onion, a lot of garlic, a lot of scallion. The Scotch bonnet not so wicked in it. I mean, but it's good. Alright, so this is mother's beef patty. So the next one you know. Alright, so look at a patty is a patty, guys, but each company or each franchise have a special way of how they present or do their own patties. You know what I mean? But this one now, I think this one is from Tasties. But look at this. Look at this, guys. I mean, you see a total difference. It's not that flaky. It's not flaky. Too much flakes in the pan here drop off on you where you don't need. You know what I mean? And the beef going at them tasty. As you see here, this taste is this here. See, no whole of flake, no whole of flake now drop off for that one here. You know what I mean? So this is the beef that is in this. You know what I mean? Nice. Guys, type in the comment section, let me know which patty your favorite patty in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So this is moment of triumph for tasties. Look at this, guys. Pretty. But you taste more pepper and I'll taste this patty than a mother's patty. Wow. And a body of food. And a patty is basically so I look at dough baked with stuffed meat in it, seasoned ground beef. I don't know how much, but I don't know why it's about. I don't know why it's about. See, I look a piece of meat, yeah? A piece of beef, I see it. Guys, when you take a bite of a tasty patty, you don't want to stop. He's stuck on me chew down. Alright, moment. Next one. Alright guys, so check out that one here. Boss, let's take out the whole of this out of the bag seat. So the flake on this, I don't know what they get the flake in it. Probably is the butter, what they use, cold butter. But see it here, this one is from Juicy Beef. So we are going at Juicy Beef one, and now I'm sure no. See it there, guys. See it there. Look there. Oh. Oh. Guys, Juicy Beef, probably one of my favorite patties. Look at the beef that is inside of this thing. Oh my god, I don't know if I don't see it. Let me set the camera for you. You get me? I say it. Yo, put it. Look at this, guys. But I do what this is a whole patty experience. Bye. Bye. The beef that is in this patty, I mean, ooh, it's more grounded. I would say more grounded than the other two beef. The only difference is with the first one, I love the flakes on it. So if I could put the beef that is in this flaked packet, then it would be like a 10 out of 10. You get me saying? But the beef in this grounded, I don't know where the beef comes from, but it tastes more beefy than a taste is than a mother's. You get me saying? Like the patty right there, so water. Put them. Look at this, guys. I want to now see this. Look at them. Pretty. Bad. Guys, the patty are bad. You know what I mean? Juicy beef this. I say, for me, juicy beef patty would be my favorite patty. Again, I say, taste is not so because the beef not really so outstanding. But the beef when on this beef patty really outstanding. Guys, type in the comment section, let me know how you feel and which patty is your favorite and state why. But for me, with these 3 patties, I'll say juicy beef is the best for me. But I don't know how for you, what your taste preference is. Beef, you're bad girl, couldn't it? I got that flake. The flake on this, bad. Yeah, if you not do this, be a Jamaican and you not do this, something wrong. Wait, let me done a juice to be patty already. Because this are the tastes we left. So the taste is left. Not really bad to say, but it's one of my favorite. 7 out of 10. Back to the manners. With a lot of seasoning. 7 out of 10 for me. The beef not so 100 in a mother's pot. I tell you the truth. But the flake inside I love. But the beef ain't all that. But a juicy beef patty I love. I don't know, I'm not biased, but I wear my taste preference. Really I say. You know what I mean? But you guys know your own favorite, but this is the 3 different franchise of patties in Jamaica. Wash it down with the juice. Yes. We just eat 3 patties, guys. And my belly is still not full. I don't know how I go on. But guys, this is Tyrone and this is Tyrone's studio. Guys, the Jamaica experience, the Jamaican beef patty experience. Guys, if you come to Jamaica and you know, if you're Jamaican, you name patty probably every Saturday when you go up on the road. But if not a Jamaican, you're living in UK, Canada, or New York, or in the States, anywhere, and you want to get this experience, you can make the whole Jamaican beef patty. There's a lot of recipes out there, but if you want the authentic feel of walking into a Jamaican patty store and buy it, then do that. You get me? I say? But okay, this was a very fun experience for me, guys. Pull up the comment section, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Like this video, guys, and share it. And one love from Jamaica, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm out.